All right, did you get your mint?
Sure did, Dave.
All right, good. Don't want your breath to smell.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Hey, welcome to Four Seasons RV. My name is Dave. This is Kevin. We wanted to take just a minute and introduce you, number one, to Kevin, number two, to our Heartland product. So, Kevin, we've been open here about almost 4 weeks. You've been here about 3 weeks.
Yep.
How long you been in the camper business?
I've been in the camper business about 30 years now.
Okay, so you're not completely new, even though you're new here.
That's correct.
All right, super. Anything you sold predominantly during the last 30 years, or just a little bit of everything?
Over 30 years, ran through many products. Main product was probably the Jayco manufacturer. Good quality units and just real solid.
All right, awesome. So I think Jayco is probably up there with one of the top 2 or 3 premium brands as far as production campers go, right? You've got Jayco, you've got Grand Design, Alliance. Have you sold anything other than Jayco that was kind of a premium brand?
We sold a lot of others. Did a little bit of Grand Design, but our mainstay was always with Jayco. And, it's nice to get in with a Jayco manufacturer family with Prowler.
Yep. So as we look at the new Heartlands for 2026, these are all built by the Jayco family of companies on the same facility and manufacturing plant, using the same processes that they use for all of the Jaycos. So talk to me a little bit about your experience comparing the Heartland to the Jayco. What are you seeing?
The nice thing is it's built on the same line and it's very compatible. Stuff like the roofs being tested at 4,500 pounds. The solid floor, the framing underneath is all custom built and stuff per floor plan. So, the quality starts from the ground up. When you walk on the floors, you can walk on the roofs. All of our product here with Heartland. So that's a nice feature.
Yeah, super. So I think, folks, as you look at the Heartland, it's a great addition to our premium brands like the Grand Design and Alliance that we carry at our Abilene location. Here in Andover, we've got the full line of Heartland products, and we're really excited to be bringing this to you. It is affordable quality, and I think you're going to be very, very pleased with the quality of the product and quite surprised at the affordability of the pricing structure. So look forward to seeing you. We're having our grand opening this weekend. We'd love to have you come out and see us Friday and Saturday. Take a look at some of this product and see if there's something that we can find that fits your needs well. So Four Seasons RV, where the fun begins.